We are going to see a proof of concept of farmer to consumer food products traceability on blockchain for local communities. Now we will execute our project. This is the main page of our project. In our project has two modules, one is a farmer, another one is a user. First we have to see farmer module. The farmer registers the account with the basic informations. If the farmer is a new, you click the new registration, means the farmer can register the account with the basic informations. Farmer create the account successful. If which are the information you are enter in the front end, that information will store at the back end. Okay, now farmer can log in the account. This is the home page of farmer. Now farmer can add the vegetables like fresh vegetables, organic vegetables, fruits. Every information can added by the farmers. If you are taken the fresh vegetables means we have to give the detailed information. What is the vegetable name, vegetable ID, cost, images and the quantity, which are the quantities is available. Based on that, farmer can add the information. Now the information should be added successfully. This information will store at the back end. Here we have to see which are the vegetables we have added at the back end. One particular farmer can add the many vegetables. After that, farmer can view all the fresh vegetables if which the vegetables is added by themselves. In that we have three enable buttons. One is a delete, enable, update. Now the farmer can add many types of vegetables which are available. Now the farmer can view which the vegetables added by self, and also they have delete, edit and enable option. If the farmers want to update the cost daily means they can choose the edit option and enter the cost and update. If the former can enable means the vegetable should be viewed by the customer. Now the user form. If the user has a new user means they have to click the new registration and can enter the basic information of the user. After the registration, user can log in the account. If user enter means that information stored at the back end. Now user can log in at the account with the correct username password which are given while registering. Now the user registers. Now user can search the vegetables by the location. Here all the location is given. If you click the Anna Nagar means in that Anna Nagar which are vegetables are available. User can see which are the vegetables are available by the location. User can view all the locations. If the user wants the vegetables means the user can make the order through the online. For that we have to click the pay button. We have to see in the all information. User can enter how much kgs they want, card number, card details. After that entering card details, user can make the order. User ordered the vegetables successfully. View all the order status. User can view the status. Now the status is waiting. The former view all the products which is ordered by the user. This is the order, make order by Jhansi Rani. If they click the waiting means the work should be completed. After that, former can view all the transactions. In that transaction, we have seen all the details which user card number, IFSC number, the total amount which will paid by the user. After that, foreman and user can log out the account. The main goal of the project is connecting a former and consumer through the online. For the user getting more fresh vegetables, organic vegetables, for that only we have to create this project. In this website we have seen all the vegetables, fruits, nuts, grains, everything is available. Thank you for watching this video. By Uncrore Projects.